Welcome to 7507 Crossgate Cove in the exclusive gated community of Crossgate in the Crossing. This graceful and gorgeous stone and brick custom home, full of detail and charm, was built in 2017 by custom builder Matthew Peer. 2815 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and an extended 2-car garage. Upon entering, you'll instantly notice the beautiful wood floors, generous moldings, and soaring ceilings. The living room has a brick wood burning fireplace with a gas starter that's flanked by built-ins. Ample windows allow for beautiful natural light galore. The kitchen is stunning with granite countertops, pretty backsplash, island with breakfast bar, 5-burner gas cooktop with pot filler, built-in wall oven and microwave, and dishwasher. All stainless steel appliances. The large covered patio off the dining and living rooms is perfect for entertaining, with a gas connection for your grill. Owner's Retreat is located on the first floor and has its own private patio. Spa-like bathroom boasts separate vanities, granite countertops, garden tub, private water closet, and a large shower with multiple shower heads. Make sure you don't miss the huge walk-in closet. Downstairs, you will also find a guest bedroom, full bath, utility room, and plenty of storage. Upstairs is the second living area. 2 more bedrooms, both with walk-in closets, and a generous Jack and Jill bath with double vanity. With a 2-car garage, spray and foam insulation, security system, central vac, tankless water heater, sprinkler system, and alarm system, all the bases are covered. Enjoy the perks of a spacious, well-designed and built 2-story home with a small lot and almost no exterior maintenance. The Homeowners Association provides all lawn maintenance, including repair of any irrigation issues. And they even pull weeds and plant flowers in your flower beds monthly. So much to love and enjoy with a secure and hassle-free lifestyle. D. Martin Realty Group, helping you find your way home.
For more information or to schedule your personal tour, contact D. Martin Realty Group.